What's your name and what are you doing today?
Brandon, and I'm doing my first skydive.
First skydive. Why would you want to do that?
I don't know. I want to feel alive, really, lately.
Fuck
Been working a lot, so
there you
it's
go.
a little release, you know, let go of all the little things.
Yep,
so.
yep. All right, well, we're gonna go up to about 10,000 feet, jump out, use your parachute to get safely to the ground. Hope you survive.
Oh yeah, fingers crossed.
Yep. Any last words?
Let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. All right, see you in the air.
Yeah.
All right. Excited? Yeah, dude.
All right.
Alright, dude, just jumped out of a plane. How you feel?
Oh, I feel great, man. I'm happy I did it, yeah. No
Fuck yeah,
regrets
dude.
at all. Gotta do it again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite part, man?
That favorite part was, I think, getting out of the plane. Yeah, facing those nerves and just getting it, you know? Like you said, as soon as we got in the air, smooth sailing.
Yeah, well, you absolutely killed it, man. You did such a good job. Thank you so much for jumping with us.
Yeah.
Skydive Colorado Springs, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Thank you, man. We're alive, so thanks. I got a little tip for you guys, too. So
Woo!
Sick. Fuck yeah,
yeah,
dude.
I appreciate it,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.